Well, folks, it's been nice knowing you. Been out here for literally 2 minutes. I will be passing away now. And by passing away, I mean my dad's going to kill me.
It's hard to explain to someone the sheer terror of having to tell your father, particularly your father, I mean, call me sexist if you want, but it's true. Having to tell your father, hey, I've broken a piece of farm equipment. I myself have done that. That phone call, or if you had to tell it in person, that was even worse. It was always like a gamble. Is he going to blow up? Is he going to go, well, that's happened before? The anxiety of that moment should never be overlooked in farming.